Hello, this is meteorologist Todd Shea with the La Crosse National Weather Service with a weather update as of Thursday afternoon. Wind advisory that was in effect for much of the day, and those strong wind gusts will drop out this evening as the winds continue to subside. Then focus shifts on the incoming winter weather that is expected for Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. In fact, a combination of winter storm watches and winter storm warnings are in effect across the area, mainly over the state of Iowa and into southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois. Winter storm warnings were posted this afternoon that don't go into effect, though, until late Friday afternoon and into Friday night for areas of central and northeast Iowa into the neighboring states, with a tier of winter storm watches still in effect because of the uncertainty in snow amounts. And it is that certainty in snow amounts that is still to be worked out. We do know the biggest area of impact will be over the state of Iowa and into southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois. The higher confidence for that heavier snow is more in the central Iowa corridor and along the Wisconsin-Illinois state line, with lower confidence in the amount of snow north of there. So it's kind of working out those details as you get closer to Interstate 90 in Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin, where snow could be significantly less. So when we talk about timing and the snow moving in Friday afternoon, it still looks like that's on track, which will linger into early Saturday morning before exiting. But it is that location, especially where the heavier snow, which could top out anywhere from 3 to 8 inches, will exactly fall. Here is a look at our forecast snow map, taking a broad picture. The 6 or higher inch snowfall totals are in the yellows and oranges, and you can see where the biggest chance for that would be across more of central Iowa and into Wisconsin and northern Illinois, but much lighter snowfall totals as you get closer to Interstate 90, with next to no snow further north of there. As far as timing goes, we do expect the snow to move in midday Friday across parts of north central Iowa and far southern Minnesota, and that spreads across the area Friday evening, continues on Friday night into early Saturday before exiting after daybreak Saturday morning and moving on into southeast Wisconsin and on to lower Michigan. So the bottom line for this is a heavy snow band is expected, most likely across Iowa and into neighboring states. The location of the heaviest snow, and especially that northern extent of it, is still in question. The biggest impacts will start late Friday afternoon, more likely Friday night and Saturday morning. And remember, since this is the first winter event of the year for many of us, winter driving is always a little tricky till you get back in the groove of it, so be careful of accidents. Even with the warm road temperatures, snowfall rates could be high enough to accumulate, and so we do expect periods of slippery travel.